Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Garden. Good morning. I want to show you my zinnia patch. I actually planted the zinnias from a pack of seeds in the spring. I got the seeds from the dollar store, and the seeds were out there in February, just waiting for me, I believe. And I picked up the zinnia seeds, and I remembered last year what they looked like. And just put them in the garden, and they have come up so beautifully. I did try to put them in little pea pots. I got the pea pots from the dollar store as well. And I created this little greenhouse effect. But I wasn't as successful. I need a better greenhouse. But I was able to plant them in the garden. I directly sowed the seeds in the garden. And that worked out really, really well, direct sowing in the garden. So come with me as we go and observe the zinnia patch. This is Zinnia Heaven. Yay! It's a bright summer morning in the garden, and here we are in the front garden, tucked in by the wall here, and you could see the zinnias. The zinnias appear to be floating above the greenery with such beautiful color, and you would think that red and pink would not match, but there's something about zinnias that just seem to blend so well together with the orange, yellowy middle. Mother Nature seems to know what she's about. Look at that fuchsia color. And it really blends well with my garden. I planted the zinnias here. Here is the original patch. And you could even see the packet, the seed packet, on the ground. Plenty of beautiful color. Red, fuchsia, and more to come. The zinnias appear to be floating above the greenery. Such beautiful color. Red and pink together. But Mother Nature has a way of just blending everything in together and making it work. I planted the zinnias in different parts of this circular garden. I wanted them to pop up and bring color. Now here is the patch. I planted the seeds there in that patch. Wow, the colors of red, pink, and yellow. By the end of the season, I know that I will have many more blooms and many more arrangements by Mother Nature. Right now we have red and pink and fuchsia, but I believe there are other mystery colors to come. We will see. We will see. So beautiful. I just love it. Well, this is the garden for now. We have to enjoy this moment in July. A wonderful, warm, sunny day. Thank you, Lord. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. And come on back to Lady Wisdom Speaks Garden. There will be more zinnias. Yes, indeed. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Be blessed.